Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing brand new iPhone 13 Pro. So this is exactly how it comes. If you are to order one, it just comes in this nice little box right here. Nothing to it. Very small, thin box. So obviously I have the blue option here. This is 128 gigabyte, so it is the smallest in the storage side. So just get a cool little matte black box, just like so. On the back you can see just your serial numbers, all that. There's not much information back here. It tells you what all is included, and then you can see right there iPhone 13 Pro if the camera decides to focus. Sorry about that guys, but let's go ahead and open it up and see exactly what comes inside the package. So there you go, got it open. You can see right here the actual phone itself. We'll just lift this up, set it to the side for now. So inside, lightning cable, so you can see plugs into the wall, plugs into the phone. Just standard lightning cable. Does not come with the charging box for the 13. I believe it didn't come with the box for the 12 as well. And then right up here, little information packet. Go ahead, dump this out. Apple decal. Some information just explaining the iPhone. There's tons of reviews on this thing, so this is not going to be one of those videos. This is just going to be an unboxing. And over here, got a little prong as well. You'll probably never read this or never use that, but don't forget you got a decal in there as well. So, as you can see, this is the front of the phone right there. These are the sides over here. It's more of like a chromy, almost metallic color compared to the 12. The 13 definitely looks a little bit different. On the back, more or less looks the same. The blue is different from the 13 to the 12. The 12 is a little bit of a darker color. I'll throw a comparison right here. This one is a little bit lighter. And another thing to consider, that even though the 12 and the 13 look very similar, they are a little bit different. So the cases that you have from the 12 will not fit on the 13. The camera is a little bit different. It's a little bit bigger on the 13, so if you install a 12 case, it's kind of blocking out this bottom right here. And then on this side, over on this part, this button for the home screen is a little bit lower down on the 13 compared to the 12. So you will need to get a new case for your 13 if you are upgrading from the 12. So I've been using this phone now for a few days, and I have to say the biggest improvement is definitely on this camera. Coming from an iPhone X and then jumping into a 13, the camera blows the X out of the water. The 12, it's pretty similar. Maybe if you're really into photography or if you're into phones, you will notice a difference between the 12 and the 13. But from a YouTuber perspective, this camera, it shoots awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some just some footage in there so you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and film on the 4K and the HD so you guys can see exactly what I'm referring to, but the camera on this phone is awesome. So there it is guys, brand new iPhone 13 Pro. Just a quick unboxing video. If you did like this video, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, later.